Hey guys, these are my Batwing Swinguard Customs in mother of pearl. That one has a dagger grind, this one has the bayonet. Renzo Poscotto on the tangs. Renzo Poscotto on that tang. These were all handmade by Master Craftsman Renzo Poscotto. These are the two white and genuine mother of pearl. Dagger grind, bayonet grind. These are the black mother of pearls. This one has a dagger grind. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. The only ones in the world. They cost a pretty penny, but they're worth every cent. Very hard firing. Beautiful coloring on these two. But you wanted to see the set? Here you go. These are number 28 and 29 in the Batwing collection. These are 26 and 27. All with the certificates. Thank you so much, Renzo and Lucio. You've made a dream come true. Take it easy, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep collecting. Later on.